Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Telegram login problem iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you can do is simply head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in Telegram, and once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back and then open up your setting. Inside settings, scroll down and select general, and inside general select iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Telegram Messenger app and then simply tap on it. Let me assume this messenger is the Telegram Messenger, and once you're inside you'll be provided with two options, offload app and delete app. Simply select offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been done, your problem will be fixed, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.